Now, true convection, I always describe that. Obviously, convection is uniform heat distribution, reduced cooking time, and since you have your heating elements back behind the fan, that's the reason why they can have the ability of utilizing 2 or 3 racks simultaneously. So that's ideal for cookies, puff pastry items, crescent rolls, hors d'oeuvres, or multi-item cooking. You know, you can also do different foods in true convection without a transfer of flavor. So for example, if I wanted to do a roast in there and I'm doing a side dish and the kids want some chicken tenders or the kids want some cookies, I could do those all at the same time. Convection flow is not dead stagnant air in the oven, so it won't transfer the flavor of the roast to the cookies. Anytime you guys go out to a restaurant, no matter a majority of the dishes that you received was cooked in a convection oven. So grilled items, for example, they sear them on the grill, they throw them in a convection oven. And in that convection oven, there's probably 15 other entrees going on. And you never taste that fish or that lobster or that fried item on your steak, but that's what's going on in convection. So uniform heat, quickness, and in true, more usable space.